Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. Now, if you open up Instagram on your iPhone or Android, you're going to tap on the profile button at the bottom right. You can tell if you have a professional account, either a business or a creator account, because it will say professional dashboard on here. And sometimes it'll have your contact info or your category, etc. Let's switch to a personal account by getting into the professional dashboard. So tap on that. And now this will give you analytics and insights on here, but we need to get to the settings for your professional account to be able to switch it. So at the very top right, we're just going to tap on that gear icon at the top right. Now, again, this is in your business, again, creator or professional account, whatever you might have. And on here at the very bottom, you'll be able to see switch account type, and we can switch it to a personal account. So hit the switch account type. And there you can see switch to personal account. Just tap on that. And it does say you'll lose access to all of these things, but just hit switch to personal account. You'll be able to tell if it works by essentially refreshing your profile. So on here, if I swipe down, you'll be able to see professional dashboard is now missing. And I can always tap on those three lines at the top right and then choose account privacy and switch this back to a private account if I wanted to essentially switch to a personal account so that I can make it private.